familiar, I guess. Oh my god. They want to play. It's not kind of bobcat stuff. The white cat can play with it. It's sitting down.
All right, not in their face though, okay?
Can I get the ball?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Carefully.
Oh my gosh! She came up here so cute. She just crawled over my legs. Oh my gosh, this one is here too. That one is going.
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Actually, that wasn't bad. So where are we going?
We're going to get cats. I'm like so excited.
Kittens.
Kittens. I'm so excited. But my brother is overreacting.
It's because you said this is C word.
Yeah, and we also
Or
have
is it
the
the K word?
cage in the car for them.
It's the K word.
We also
They're
have
K words that will be C words.
At some point.
We have the cage. We have the cage.
I'm excited.
We have the cage for them, and we're about to leave.
All right.
It's actually happening. I thought it
Are
was
y'all
just
excited?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. All right, everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not screaming at the top of my lungs either. I'm just.
Okay, well, if y'all aren't that excited, maybe we can just go back home.
I told you I am excited.
I am
The
excited,
only reason
but
I'm trying to
Am I
act
supposed to
excited
show
because-
it? I don't.
I'm
Not
excited
acting
when I
so
see them.
excited, huh?
They're staring at you. Pretty little baby.
What you hiding for?
Like, camera? Ooh, she gonna love the camera. You can already tell the way she got here, I guess. Oh my god, they want to play. Is that kind of bobcat stuff? They like have them play with it. Let's sing down.
All right, not in their face though, okay?
Can I get the ball?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Carefully.
Oh my gosh! She came up here so cute. She just crawled under my legs. Oh my gosh, this one is here too. That one is coming to you now. Oh my gosh, it just crawled right under my legs like it was a cave. There you go. She does. I never seen a cat purr that much.
Pretty girl.
Oh, it was still under there. I wonder how long she's gonna stay under there. Oh, she found the balls. There's ping pong balls under there. A red one. Oh. She's like, what is that place?
All right, y'all close my.
Come on. I want. Look. My watch is just like Christmas.
Let her have some air.
Where is it? Look, these.
I just can't.
Lightning. Down.
Dang it. Is it? Okay.
Where'd she go?
Right here.
She's still going back there.
No.
Alex. Be for a little bit.
All right.
Alright, now hold her. Real tight.
She just jumped out. Oh my god.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't matter. Let her go.
Yeah, the other kitten is hiding from us. I think it's gonna take her a little while to get used to us, but she'll get there.
Hope y'all liked the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and have a good day.